I'm curious. Do you guys say tomato or tomato? That's the intro. That's the whole thing. I'm curious. Just tell me in the comments. Do you say tomato or tomato? I'm just literally curious. Hey guys, I'm TutsByKai. I'm Kai, and today we're back once again taking a look at how I made these 4 different pixel art like sprite character kind of things. And I wanted to focus on this today because I made these just for a little bit of fun for some projects that I'm doing or something that I'm working on right now. But I wanted to go ahead and share with you the kind of process of these semi-small-ish, well, they're pretty small, but these small pixel art characters and the use of color to define the shapes inside of the characters. So if you take a look at the guy that I'm working on right now, you can see that he basically looks like a 4-leaf clover if you get rid of all of the color on the inside, and then we use darker colors to kind of break up the bigger shape. So essentially what I want you to take away from today's lesson, as it were, is create a shape and then use color to break up the shape inside of that shape. So for instance, if you were to draw a circle, you can go ahead and fill that in with a solid color and then use different colors and darker values or lighter values to establish some sort of shape. So for instance, you can see between the 2 that we've just created here, we have a very like buff kind of guy sticking his arms out. We have like 2 little bracket looking right angle pieces for his arms, and then for these guys we have like straight up and down lines to try and depict that their arms are going straight up and down, like they're just laying, letting their arms hang down. Now, but with this character, I wanted him to be a little bit bigger, so I kind of spread him out a bit, and I used that big dark line under his chin to kind of define where his head is at, and instantly right then you can see that looks like a chin or a head or something like that, which is just super easy to define, which I think is really cool. Now with all this stuff, like I said in previous pixel art tutorials, it just takes a little bit of practice knowing where you should put some pixels, because I don't know where you should put pixels either, because there isn't a set place you should put pixels. So you kind of just put some stuff down until it works out. I've said this before in previous pixel art tutorials, but for this one it is very, very true. Like I said, with these really small pixel art type characters, you're definitely going to want to play around with some different lines and some different pixels, because every single pixel in these kind of art styles in this really small style really does make a difference. Every single pixel makes a difference. And I just created a bunch of darker lines underneath their eyes, which are literally just 2 black dots, by the way. Just created 2 lines under their eyes to indicate a mouth or some kind of lip. And with this one, same thing. So I wanted to kind of make a Frankenstein-ish kind of zombie-like character, I guess. And I just wanted to go ahead and put some shading in to kind of define some of the lines here. You can see on the face, I have a line going straight down, which kind of looks like a skull, or maybe his face is dripping, or it's like cut or something. I don't know, but it just looked ghoulish, so I wanted to put it there. Yeah, you can see this is a very strange shape. If you try to imagine the character I'm working on right now with none of the color, none of the anything, only the black edges. And you can see it's a very strange shape. It looks like a lump or something. But yeah, it actually kind of looks like a Ninja Turtle now. Looks like the 5th Ninja Turtle, the one that nobody likes. His name's like James or something. James the Ninja Turtle, and he never got any play because he looks like that. Well, that's the big picture from today. So what I wanted to focus on, like I said, use color to define the shapes that you use in pixel art. And we've had some stuff that I've talked about this in the past, but I just wanted to go ahead and share these 4 little sprites with you, these 4 little characters. I thought they're really cool. So basically, just this video is kind of use color to define shapes and kind of to inspire you to go out and do some pixel art on a daily basis. So I think I'm going to start posting more kind of inspirational art kind of videos, and this is going to be the first one. So hope you ladies and gentlemen enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one. Get out there, make some art. Hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I will see you in the next one, but until then, bye-bye.